Hi, I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. What can I do about kids who play in the bathroom to avoid tasks? Well, first of all, the bathroom is a pretty cool place to be when you're a kid. 1, the acoustics are fabulous. 2, the adults don't normally hang out in there and watch them. So it's kind of the first place they get to fool around without people monitoring them. One of the things that has worked for me is if I have an important task that I'm going to be teaching, I say to the kids right up front, this is going to be bathroom time, and you are going to be expected to be here for 20 whole minutes without going to the bathroom. See, I want to give them that opportunity and teach them when it's okay to use the bathroom and when they really can't get up in the middle of a class, and they can handle that if they don't have giant water bottles on their desk, which is kind of the theme right now. So you may want to think about that too. Should those water bottles be on the desk 100% of the time? Or maybe if you know you're going to be teaching something really, well, everything's important, but you know where I'm going here. You park those over into the water bottle holding space so that they can really focus, not be constantly drinking out of these giant water bottles and having to use the bathroom all day. So again, bathroom time, maybe have them learn like when they should go and when they can't go, unless it's an emergency, of course. But have a little more control over that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.